Now, as an importer who is bringing commercial quantities of food products to sell in the USA, you see, the US or Canadian FDA will hold your shipment if they exhibit the following characteristics. Now, number one is no food facility registration, very important. Number two is no prior notice before shipping. Very important. Number three is suspicious packaging. It doesn't look like what it is. Number four is incomplete labeling. Number five, high moisture products. Number six, if they see poor sealing in some of your products. Number seven, if you have a history of prior violations. Number eight, dirty or dusty bags. And number nine, they can do random sampling to check the quality of what you're shipping. Now, FDA holds can lead to demurrage, which is very costly for any importer. In the worst case, they may refuse entry or they may request for the food to be re-exported out of the USA, or they may destroy it again at your own cost. I've seen an importer who imported a 20-foot container of yam. The FDA found some insects, I believe to be weevils in the yam, and requested for the whole container to be destroyed. The destruction cost over $5,000, and the importer was made to pay for this through their import bond company. To avoid these holds and heavy losses, again, be sure to do the following thing when you are importing or exporting food to the USA. Now, number one, package your products like you're going to be selling in Walmart and other stores. The quality makes a big difference. Number two, ensure your supplier has an FDA registered food facility. Number three, ensure your supplier files prior notice correctly before shipping. Number four, keep moisture low and ensure that dry foods are correctly dried, especially if you are shipping via ocean. Now, number five, follow labeling rules strictly, ensuring that all aspects of labeling are covered. This is very important. Now, when your shipment looks disorganized, you know what happens? FDA investigates further. When they see that you operate professionally, they relax, and your subsequent shipments would typically be allowed to pass through without delays. It's important how you package yourself. It's very important to how they also see you. Now, for more tips on how to bypass FDA scrutiny, be sure to subscribe and follow this page if you want to build a successful food export business.